Hey store owners, today we're going to talk about custom fields, and the majority of point of sales today offer custom fields, and they are a tremendous tool to help you get data to figure out how to increase sales, get more traffic in your store, and also give you some free time. Now, they say data is the key to success. Well, this is one way you can get it. Before you set up custom fields, you might want to focus on what is really going to give you the ability to increase sales and profits. With a lot of my customers, I choose to say, where are we going to grow 3 times in 3 different ways in your store? So let's get started and let's take a look at custom fields in Heartland Retail. Now, it's easy to set up a custom field. We're going to go into settings, go to your left, choose custom fields. Now, I'm going to click new here, and this is going to be our demo custom field, but I want you to see how many places you can actually put that custom field. So when we talk about choosing 3 key points where you want to increase sales, increase traffic, increase your margins, this would be a great way to choose where the customer field is. You also can choose a type of custom field. And what we're going to do is let's go back and let's pick a custom field that we already have created and take a look at some of the attributes of it. This one is a category. Categories are very common in custom fields when you might be uploading to an e-com site. The category is for an item, so it obviously affects an item. And here is my favorite part, pick from a list. The reason I like pick from a list is because it will avoid you having double categories. Notice here the category for men is men's, not men. Women, women's is another one. You might look at pants. Somebody could put trousers, outerwear. It's really going to limit the chance of there being a mistake, and especially when you're uploading to the e-com site or you're syncing with an outside source. Now you can choose that this should be required. I think that a category should be required. Whether it should be unique. Then you can also choose whether you want it to display on a purchase order, purchasing receipt, transfer, grid list, if you want the customer to be able to see it. So in this environment, we want it to be required. We do want it to show on all purchase orders and purchasing receipts, but we do not need it to show in the POS ticket. It's not something that a customer really needs to see. So we're going to save this. And let's go ahead and take a look at an item and see how it shows up, and talk a little bit about other items, categories or custom fields that we have. Now here we can see we have a custom field, a category. Because it has the red star, that means it is required. And then there's your pick list is shown in there. All right. Another custom field that they've created for this is a style name, color. Tax exempt is also a custom field that is required when creating a new item. Love that. Keeps you, in case you're in an environment where you're not going to charge taxes on products. So it really gives you a lot. Same thing with, then you have your other attributes to go in there. Now there's a lot we could talk about with custom fields, but this is a quick overview to how to get you started. Hit subscribe or take a look and look through my other videos to go in more depth explanation.